Hello scrapers! In this tutorial, I'll show you how to enrich your result from Google Maps data scraper using any of the services of Outscraper with just few clicks. So let's dive right in. First, head over to Outscraper and log into your account. I already scraped tasks from Google Maps data scraper but didn't add any enrichment. This will be the task that we will be using for this tutorial. In the task, you can click this three-dotted button and click Enrich Results to choose the services you want to enrich your file. For this example, we will try to enrich our file using email and contact scraper to get emails. After you selected the enrichment services you want, you will be redirected in the task templates where you can notice that your file has been uploaded automatically. Configure the scraping options like preferred contacts and type to fit your requirements. Once everything is set, click Get Data. Here, you will be prompted by a window containing the information of your scrape. Hit Confirm and let Outscraper do its work. Once the process is done, you can download your result by clicking this button. And now you have an enriched file complete with additional column from the enrichment service. By automating data collection with Outscraper, marketers and researchers save time and get rich, structured information without coding. And that's how you use the new enriched result feature of Outscraper. Head over to Outscraper and try our free tier. Happy scraping!